How to filter down SOQL queries. Let's start with the simple query here, which pulls all contacts in my org, which is far too many, see, because I'm throwing a birthday party and I only want to invite my bestest friends. So I'm going to need to add a filter to this query. Even though filters are 100% optional, almost all queries will use one. To begin your filter, you need to use the where keyword. The where statement goes immediately after your from statement as shown. The format goes like this. First, you have your where keyword. Then you have the field which needs to be filtered. Next is an operator. Here we have the equals operator, and you'll soon see that all the standard operators you'd want, such as not equals, greater than, less than, etc., are also available. Finally, our where clause ends with the filtered value. We're filtering the department to a text value, executive team, and text values need to be surrounded by single quotes. And that's all you need for a where clause. Our SOQL query will now only pull contacts that are in the executive team department, which is perfect because they'll be able to buy expensive birthday presents for me. But I'm going to need a few more filters, see, because last time I invited Joe to my birthday party, he told me that buying a few of my company's products doesn't make him a friend of mine and that I should never call him again. Joe is clearly a party pooper. So I'm going to add a few more filters. First of all, I need to exclude anyone that's on my do not call list. It's probably just one or two people. So I'll add a second filter using the and keyword. Do not call must be false. This time, I don't need single quotes around the false filter value, since false is a Boolean value, not a text value. I'm going to personally invite all my guests, so I need another filter to only show contacts when I know their phone number. I add another and statement in my overall where clause to do this. Notice that exclamation point equals is the operator for not equal to, and I state their phone cannot be equal to null. Finally, there will be alcohol at my event. Only the good stuff, of course. Mike's Hard Lemonade. So I need to make sure everyone is over the age of 21. Luckily, I have this information in the birth date field, and I can filter date fields by typing date values in a year-month-day format. I've got a pretty good query going on here, and I'm ready to run it. Time to go to Workbench. I'm going to copy this query in here, run it, and hey, there's only 2 people here? I thought for sure there'd be more. Maybe more people added themselves to the do not call list. In any case, it's time to expand and relax our filters. I know those executives make a lot of money, but I heard that people in finance or technology departments make good money too and can afford nice presents. So let's include them in our query. You've seen us use the and keyword. Now we're going to use the or keyword. We're using the or keyword to expand our department filter to include our friends in finance or technology departments. Note that we're also now using parentheses around our 3 filters. This will ensure that our do not call, phone, and birthday filters will still be respected. For your reference, here's what this query would look like if we did it in a report instead. Looks like now we have a decent list of people. But 8 people is a little more than I was planning to have. I'm going to need to feed all these people, and who wants to pay for that? Let's filter this down just a little bit more. I want to weed out all the lower level people. So let's narrow this down to just the people who have a VP job title. Their title might be VP of Finance, or VP of Technology, or even SVP. I want all these people, as long as their title contains the word VP. SOQL can do a contains filter using the like keyword. So in this final line, we say title like the string VP. Notice that before and after the word VP, we've written percentage signs. A percentage sign in a like filter is a wildcard, meaning any character or characters or no character at all can be in the place of the percentage sign. We have one before VP in case their title is something like SVP, and we have one after VP in case their title is something like VP of Technology. This kind of fuzzy matching in SOQL is super powerful and used very often. This query is good to go, but there's one thing bugging me about it. I love to write clean and beautiful SOQL queries, but this one isn't totally optimized yet. In this section, we say the department can be any of these three values. While this is valid SOQL, there is a shortcut for OR filters that are repeated in this way. Using the in filter, we can filter down one field into multiple possible values. The in filter works exactly like multiple OR filters on the same field, except it's a little less code. Notice that our three values are separated by commas, and that the list is wrapped in parentheses. Now our query is perfect. Party time!